Hello everyone and welcome to the class of technical features for LTE public safety. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about technical features of LTE public safety. So we are having technical features as proximity services and another one is group call or group communication. So let's discuss about proximity services. Proximity services that identify mobiles in physical proximity and they can enable optimized communication between them. If we talk about the group call or group communication, it supports the fundamental requirement of dynamic group communication such as one-to-many and dispatcher working. Dispatcher is generally a fixed mobile or fixed in a control room. From fixed end, we can send information or a message to many users in a group. Let's understand first proximity services. It consists of two main elements. The very first is network assisted discovery of users, which is having a desire to communicate who are in close proximity, physical proximity. Another one is that there is a need for communication among public safety users if they are not in a coverage of the network. First one is network having a desire to communicate, and another one is among the public safety user if they are not in a coverage. This feature is also known as network relay because here the mobile can act as a relay for other mobiles and they can provide access to the network services outside the coverage area. These are the examples of proximity services. Like here, this is the current LTE communication path where two user equipment, they are under the E-node Bs and connected to the core network. Whenever they require duty-free communication link, they have to pass through the core network. Whereas with the help of proxy or proximity services, we can have direct communication between the users. Here also we can see this is the locally routed communication with proximity services. Another feature as group communication. So public safety users frequently need to communicate in dynamic groups. That involves mobile users that could be on a scene or fixed users which we call as dispatchers which are working in a control center. These groups are generally operate in push to talk mode. This is very appropriate for group management and floor control facilities. Like technical features include proximity services and group communication. Here we can use these services for our public safety networks. Thank you so much.